Nagaland Health Minister S. Pangnyupom reported that 82 new COVID-positive cases have been detected in the state today. 70 in Dimapur, 11 in Kohima, and 1 in Tuensang. The total caseload has gone up to 12,650 in the state, and the number of active cases has also gone up to 257. The total number of those who have recovered from COVID stands at 12,110. The number of deaths related to COVID at 84. The common entrance exam for army recruitment, which was to be held on April 25th at Rangapahar military station in Dimapur, has been postponed due to COVID-19 situation. Fresh date for the CEE or the common entrance exam will be announced shortly. Candidates will be issued new admit cards as and when the date for the CEE is finalized. For the latest update, one can visit the website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Mizoram government has announced a 7-day lockdown in Aizawl and 10 other district headquarters to prevent the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Though the order and guidelines issued on Monday night did not use the word lockdown, it said that no residents in Aizawl municipal area and other district headquarters should step out of their homes during the restriction period, which came into effect from April 20th to April 26th. Inter-village movement or intra-state movement is allowed with permission from the concerned village-level task force VLTF or local-level task force LLTF, the guidelines said. Mizoram on Monday reported the highest single-day spike this year as 91 people out of 2,038 samples have tested positive for COVID-19. The state's caseload stands at 4,995, an official said. On the Delhi government alleging discrimination by the Centre in Resources for COVID, the High Court said today that if medication was not being sent to places that needed them, blood is on their hands. As the Delhi government said it has logged a record 32,000 cases in a single day yesterday, the High Court also raised questions on the centre's distribution policy on oxygen and vaccines. If despite having the medication it is being sent to Region A instead of Region B, which is in need of the said medicine, then be sure blood is on their hands, Delhi High Court said. Yesterday, the Delhi government had alleged in court that it was falling short of oxygen for COVID patients because supplies were being diverted to one of the largest states of the country. The High Court told the centre that enough oxygen was not being supplied to COVID patients in Delhi and questioned whether it could be diverted from industries. Industries can wait, patients cannot wait, human lives are at stake, a bench of Justices Vipin Sanghi and Rekha Pali said to the centre. The Allahabad High Court has ordered a lockdown till April 26th in Lucknow, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Kanpur and Gorakhpur. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath-led government refused to enforce it last evening and approached the Supreme Court today. The Uttar Pradesh government argued that locking down 5 cities by judicial order may not be the right approach and a blanket lockdown by the High Court in 5 cities would create immense administrative difficulties. It also said that Allahabad High Court's order infringed upon the state government's domain. The High Court, while ordering the cities to shut down, had said on Monday that the pandemic had virtually incapacitated our medical infrastructure, especially in cities like Prayagraj, Lucknow, Varanasi, Kanpur and Gorakhpur. Following unprecedented rise in COVID-19 cases in the country, a total lockdown has been announced in Jharkhand. An 8-day lockdown has been ordered by the state government of Jharkhand. The lockdown in Jharkhand will come into force at 6 a.m. on April 22nd and will continue till 6 p.m. till April 29th. The announcement has been made by Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren. Rahul Gandhi has tested positive for COVID and is isolating at home. The Congress leader tweeted today that he has mild symptoms. After experiencing mild symptoms, I have just tested positive for COVID. All those who have been in contact with me recently, please follow all safety protocols and stay safe, Rahul Gandhi wrote.